Hey guys, Kenny over at Phillips RV. I'm going to show you real quick this Torque. It's a 2022. It is a 371. Got storage in through here. Another storage cabinet. Outside grilling area. So you've got a mini fridge, and then this pulls out. Got a small sink here, and then a couple burners for cooking. Also have hookups for your TV and stuff if you wanted to mount a small TV onto there. Go inside. Alright, so in here you have a big huge couch. Across from you got a TV. This would be your dine area. Huge microwave. 3 burners here on the stove. And then you do have a small oven as well. Got a residential size fridge and freezer. And then if we come up into our bedroom, well, our bathroom's right here. There's 2 doors to get in. And then your bed, it does fold up so you can be sitting up kind of when you're in here too. Let's go check out the garage. So on this wall you have a washer and dryer hookup. And then you also have a half bath in here, so a little toilet and sink. Up this ladder, you have a bunk up top. You also have a bunk here that comes down. And then these 2 couches kind of fold into a bed as well. And then you can go out to your patio, you could set that up. It's got a screen room and everything. If you guys have any other questions about this unit, please let us know. Thank you.